Gold, 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 baby. Hey traders, John Howell here. We're looking at the gold, plus also the indices as well too. I want to share something with you when it comes down to gold mining stocks, the correlation through there. So there's a lot of things I want to talk with you today, guys. So let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty guys, just let you guys know that if you haven't done so yet, if you want to, you can apply to get for my Inner Circle coaching for the rest of this year. If you'd like to get my coaching, guys, then that first thing in the description, click on that, go book a time, fill out the application form. I will then call you to see if you're a good fit. Now, just so you guys know that the first call that I do with you on that there will not be a sales call. I will not be offering you my coaching program. That whole first call is just to see where you're at, see what you're doing, and see whether I actually can help you or not, okay? Then maybe we might book a second call after that, but the first call, guys, is definitely not a sales call at all. So if you do need my help and you want to see if this is actually a good fit for you, then go fill it out right now, guys. That first link in the description. Now, let's actually talk about gold. There's a few really big lessons that I really want to share with gold. And in fact, I was actually doing it with my private clients and it's, wow, I'm so, oh my goodness, guys, it's amazing, right? Amazing. Trading is so amazing. It really is. And trading is all like that pattern recognition, right? Oh, by the way, guys, I'm actually people been saying like people been seeing me with gold, right? And the futures trade and so on and so forth. Traders, I'm actually in 4 trades right now, and all of them are profits. You just know about one of them, right? But I have actually slightly mentioned one other one. But I'm actually in 4 trades right now, and they're all profits. And I'm just coming off also. I just got out of a trade last week for 65% return. The purpose of me saying that, guys, is not like how good I am, but I'm just trying to show you that trading really is all about the pattern recognition, right? But also the patience game. Now, the big thing about there's a really big thing about gold. For gold, from an actual trading purpose, a trading wise, for gold, I was watching gold, and as gold was moving up through here, this is a really big key here, guys, okay? As gold was moving up through here and was moving through here, I had no trades on gold. Here's a really big key for you, okay? If you're over trading right now, you probably know because you're probably losing a lot of money. I'm more like a sniper approach. Now, there's actually been a lot of good trades these last few months, guys. It's just, oh my goodness, it's been incredible. As I said before, I'm in 4 trades right now. They're all profits. 3 of them, 3 out of the 4, I've actually already locked in a really good profit, so I can't make a loss in there. The worst thing that happens is I actually make a nice profit on that one. Trading is amazing right now. And again, guys, the purpose of me saying that is that I'm all about having a sniper approach with the way that I trade. And a lot of the times, or should I say sometimes, it takes a while for these setups to actually get ready. And then we actually have the trigger point, right? So it's so important that the big thing about gold is, as you can see, it actually took, like, really, I had no trades through gold through here at all. Like no actual trading opportunities for me because there was nothing massively high probability. Now look what's happened. I've got into gold right now, and you guys know that I've actually bought the future on gold, and I also bought options on. I also bought the options as well too. Right. So if I go to, let's bring up this chart here. And the purpose of me saying this, guys, is when it comes down to the gold chart, as you know, like, and look at gold just take off like rocket. These options are just going crazy right now. And again, guys, I even called this live actually on YouTube. Again, if you're new to my channel, for 2 weeks, I was getting people ready, even on YouTube. And even on the day when it broke out, I'm like, here we go, guys, and so on and so forth. So that was actually a bit of a gift for you. But with my actual private clients, or for me anyway, and them, we're actually in 4 trades right now, all profits. This is just one of them that you know. And again, if you're interested in becoming a private client, guys, fill in the application form and I'll call you. And again, the first call will not be a sales call because I won't be offering your coaching program on the first call. It'll just be to figure out to see where you are and what I can do to help you out. First link in the description there, guys. So the big thing about this here, I really want to share with you that really good, powerful setups take time to develop. So as, for example, as gold was happening and as gold was setting up for me to get ready for this big explosion move, this big move, guess what? I was trading things like car. And I mentioned this before, but I actually took a trade on car. This is actually a beautiful trade. I took a short trade. I actually bought put options, wrote this down, and this is the trade that I made 65% return on. And it's actually right now for people that actually know my system. And if you like to learn my system, that second link in the description, you can actually go register for a free training that I'm running or that I'm giving away. And you can actually learn my system. If for you guys that actually know my system, this is actually setting up again for another amazing trade here. So I made nice profit here. It's actually setting up again. I could be getting ready for another short trade. The purpose of me saying this, guys, for you is that really good setups take time to develop. As you can see, right, I got into this trade here, wrote it down, nice, got out, 65% return on my options. Now it's going sideways. Look at this here. Now it's going sideways for a couple of weeks. It may go sideways for another couple of weeks more. And then it sets up. So trading is all about having the patience to watch things unfold. A lot of people were already in gold, hoping it's going to go up, hoping it's going to go up, hoping it's going to go up. What was I doing? I wasn't trading gold, right? All through this here. And then when the trigger point says, now we're getting ready to have a move, bam, that was the day, right? That was the day we actually had a move to the upside. Now, a lot of people have been saying, oh, John, I gold breaking up. I also bought some gold stock as well too. Wrong. Big wrong. Guys, really understand this thing. I trade chart patterns, not thinking correlation. Big mistake. People are like, gold's gonna go up, so I also bought some gold mining stocks. Like, big mistake, guys. Big mistake. Right? There's no correlation at all. Yes, gold's gone up, and yes, the mining stocks are going up through here. But tell me, over the last 1 year of trading, does this here look anything like the gold chart? No. So the fact is that there's no correlation. So don't do that. That's a big mistake you're doing right now. Gold is breaking up, so I'm going to go buy some gold mining stocks as well too. No. Traders, I traded gold. And again, that's one of the four stocks, one of the four trades I'm in right now, and they're all nicely profits. I traded gold because this gold pattern is the setup that I use for my trading system. I'm not going to say gold's breaking out, so I'm going to go buy some gold mining stocks. Big mistake. If you are trading the markets, you trade the pattern. That's the reason why I traded gold, guys. Okay, so it's really important to do that. You guys are complicating it way too much. Now you're adding your thinking. Well, if gold goes up, so is the mining stocks going to go up. It's like, where's the correlation? Mining stocks are near lows. Gold is breaking out to all-time new highs. Like, look at the facts from the correlation from there. Okay, don't try to mix them up through there. Anyway, one thing I want to share with you also is just a quick look at the indices. Like, the S&P 500 is still just grinding to the upside. Really just having a very big move to the upside. Man, when's this thing going to end? The worst thing to do, guys, is trying to jump into, if you're not in the S&P 500, is trying to buy some call options now on the SPY. That's big mistake, guys, because who knows when this thing is going to end, right? So really, now the big thing about the Dow Jones, and I was sharing this with some of my private clients today. Look at this here. The Dow Jones could also, we had this resistance point all through here. We had the support level through there. Now we're getting what? Now we're getting this as being a potential resistance. So potentially the Dow Jones is starting to shift. Shifty, right? Potentially starting to shift. So meaning that if we got something like that happening, we get something like this happening on the Dow Jones, then the Dow Jones could be topping out, right? So what happens tomorrow is going to be really interesting for me. Let's go look at the Russell. And the Russell, guys, is one of the markets that I do believe has a lot of upside to come. And it's not like to me, just looking at the Russell, look at this here, guys. And this is actually something really interesting, right? Look at this here. Up, down, double bottom, up, down in the channel, up, down, double bottom, triple, then it made a double top, then it made a lower low, then it made a higher high, now it made a higher low, now it's breaking up. Look at the pattern through here, guys. The buyers are finally starting to take control through here, right? But through here, look, all through there was what? Not much going on. What's happening right now? Down, up, down. Where do you think this is going, guys? So the Russell is very, very, very interesting as well when it comes down to the trading from there. So the really big thing is, guys, I want to cover on this update today is firstly, the lessons you learn from gold. If you want to be a really good trader, it's all about recognizing these setups and then slowly watching these things unfold. I have stocks on my watch list now, guys, that I've been watching now for the last couple of weeks because they're setting up. And then I also have my trigger point, my precise entry candle to get in. See what I'm doing here, guys? And again, that's second link in the description there, guys. You can go watch a free video and I'll teach you all the details about my trading system. But the big thing is, guys, is this, right? Is that for me, I'm waiting for the setup. And then I look for the setup, and then I'm looking for the precise entry candle, just like gold did, to tell me now we're getting ready to have a move. Or now, if it is going to have a move, it's going to be now, right? Now, obviously, there's no guarantees, and yes, I do have losses as well too. As of before last week, not this week, but last week I got out of 2 trades. One was a 9% loss, one was a 65% profit. So, you know, do the math there, right? So the whole thing about that, guys, is that these really successful trades, one is recognizing what goes into a good trade. If you don't have that and you're just guessing and gambling, you're never going to get ahead in the markets. Okay, so anyway, traders, that's it for me today. Gold, gold, gold. And once again, traders, I'm going to repeat myself. Really good, powerful setups take time to develop. And if we are impatient, we're going to miss out on some amazing opportunities.